Hi, this is Fix My Fibro and my name's Bernadette. So MCAS or mast cell activation syndrome is a considerable part of fibromyalgia and similar illnesses. There's a really serious issue in it or with it is that you cannot diagnose it by a blood-based diagnostic test. And that is a major issue. There are diagnostic tests for mast cell degranulation, which is the process of the cells popping open, but it's an invasive test, and then a histological test, which in the laboratory means you put it on a microscope slide, you stain it, you look at it, and it will show whether or not the cells have spilled their contents because you're staining the insides of the cell and you can see this degranulation event. And that's how you classically or would get what's known as a gold standard diagnostic test for mast cell activation. No one does invasive diagnostic tests. Maybe if every gastroenterologist offered that test as just a standard routine test for every colonoscopy, you might start seeing mast cell degranulation more readily in lab results. But the other issue is the diagnostic criteria that is currently set for mast cell activation syndrome, in my opinion, is flawed. And I'll talk about that in more detail. So there's a reliance on two enzymes being elevated, but they're not elevated in, I think, the majority of mast cell activation syndrome patients. I think it's only elevated more in mastocytosis, which is another mast cell disorder that makes the cells divide too readily, too quickly in the bone marrow, and that's associated with nasty cancers. Really nasty condition. We don't have that. We don't drop dead from fibromyalgia. We just have these constant recurring symptoms that aren't getting diagnosed. So that is part of the issue.